welcome back. Two of the most toxic and misused words in both the product and fashion design industries are the words minimal and sustainable. From the greenwashing of the early 2000s to the painfully fashionable never-ending waterfall of minimal wallets, key holders, and other tchotchke artifacts, there's been a horrible misnomer of the words that spark an amazing amount of product waste. With all of those minimal phone cases and wallets and keychains out there, it doesn't seem very minimal, does it? Let alone sustainable. In another video, I talk about if you're trying to be a better designer that creates things for people, you have to understand that your designs will never live solely in an impossibly clean environment by impossibly beautiful people that have impossibly beautiful, impeccable, uniformly branded lives. With that out of the way, it's important to state that these items we buy to try to reflect the personality we want others to view can be better designed by figuring out first a negative material yield for the designs we create. We have enough wallets and chairs, but we don't have enough designers working on medical design, habitats for overpopulation, or other such philanthropic endeavors. What if we took this minimalistic approach to, say, toy design, and then used the balance of the materials to be donated to rotomolded temporary housing or artificial limb fabrication? The point is, this sustainable method of producing year after year of products isn't. We don't need more toys and screens. We need more focus on humanity. In order to sustain humanity, we need to design for it. Victor Papanek once talked about the least rewarding project he worked on was a surface design. He's quoted as saying, "One of my first jobs after leaving school was to design a table radio." He continues, "This was a shroud design, the design of external covering of the mechanical and electrical guts. It was my first and I hope my last encounter with appearance design, styling, or design cosmetics." While there's certainly a place in the world for products, we're at a point of consumption of natural materials on the earth that we need to be much more mindful about how we go about designing solutions that are tangible. This is why it's more important than ever to assess if there are solutions that are system-based or digital that can replace the need for manufactured goods in each instance of the problem. This, of course, isn't representative of each industry, but it's a good question to ask in areas where the need for a new product is debatable. Don't hesitate when you're working on a project to stop midstream and look for solutions that either simplify or reduce the amount of parts or the amount of material. A great example of this is the Adidas Futurecraft shoe, which the original concept was milled out of a single piece of leather. The hope is to be able to have consumers come in and have the shoe manufactured on site while the consumer watches. The whole idea of lean manufacturing will not only save raw material, but ultimately save companies money. Take some time to stop and consider what you're doing and see if there's not only an easier way to accomplish the end goal, but if there's a way to eliminate some, if not all, of the material involved to create a better and more sustainable product. Send me some of your thoughts. Have you ever identified a way to solve either a product problem or a system problem without manufacturing some sort of tangible solution? Or have you ever come up with a design that was able to be produced out of a single piece of material? Let me know. Send me a note on Twitter and Instagram and I'll post some of the best insights and projects. Thanks so much. Have a great day.